Hello, this is the presentation on multimodal ensemble models for predicting video memorability at MediaEval 2020. I am Tony Zhao, my co-authors are Irving Fang and Jeffrey Kim. Our corresponding author is Professor Gerald Friedland. We are a team from UC Berkeley. Here's my email. The task we tackled is predicting media memorability, which asks how memorable are videos and how we can build models to predict video memorability. Memorability in this case is defined as the proportion of humans that correctly identified a repeat of a previously seen video in a sequence video. The data comprises of a bunch of short videos with memorability scores as well as human annotated captions for each video. Our approach was to first extract features of different modalities, then to train independent models on each feature. Finally, we took the best models and ensembled them via grid search. Each video file had an associated C3D feature that was provided to us, which we found that support vector regression models work the best at. In addition to this, we also extracted 8 frames per video and fed those images into a pre-trained ResNet, which gave us our image embeddings. We fed these features into a support vector regression model and got our memorability scores. Each video file also had associated human annotated captions, so our text-based approach was to take these captions, tokenize them, run those tokens through a glove word embeddings, and then take that final embedding and feed it into a neural network with gated recurrent units. Finally, our last modality and model is based on audio, which is a completely novel approach in this field. We extracted sound files from our original video file, then fed those sound files into a pre-trained convolutional neural network to get an audio feature. And we found that Bayesian ridge regression worked best with these features to produce our predictions. Finally, we assembled all these different models by running weighted average grid search in buckets of 5% to optimize for Spearman's rank correlation. Here are our results. We can see that the best performing model on short-term memorability is actually our audio model. Our audio VGG-ish features. They also have the lowest variance among all these models. However, audio features do not perform as well for long-term memorability while still maintaining low variance. Here is our short-term ensemble models. Here are the relative weights of each model we selected. And here's our long-term models with the corresponding weights of each feature. So, we reiterate that ensembling models of different modalities is ideal, as each modality represents a different high-level abstraction of the data. Our major contribution is to demonstrate that audio indeed can work, and in our case actually work better than other modalities. We also show that the audio-based models generalize well with low inter-model variance, but that may be in part due to the low dimensionality of audio features. Thank you for listening. Everything I discussed can be found at this GitHub repository. Thank you.